What's up? Welcome back to the channel, 6-Time Lifestyle. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, comment on this video. So you guys already know I got a new bike, PK Ripper, you dig, 27.5. All I'm gonna do is just show you in this video. I'm gonna just show you guys what I did to the bike so far. You know what I'm saying? Just took off the front brakes. Pretty much because I want to change these bars, and I want to run the front brake on this side, same side as the back brake. And I want to put a hollow stem so I could run the front brake internally. Got the SRAM level brakes, hydraulic brakes. Also runs internally through the frame. Super clean, super neat, you know. And also this bike came with 2.5 speedster tires, and I wanted to make it a little chunky, so you know, got the 3.0s from Sam's BMX shop. Yes sir. You know what I'm saying? Also, I forgot to even mention, I got this bike from Doc's Bike Shop in Sudbury. You guys check him out on Instagram, Doc's Bike Shop. You know what I'm saying? Also got the black and chrome insane chain. You know, looks really nice on it. Fuck with it. I like the 2-piece cranks, well neat. I want to show you guys the clearance though on this tire, on this 3.0 tire. You can see that it barely has any room, you know, but made that thing fit, you feel me? So yeah, that's pretty much it for the bike though. Nothing really else to, you know. Oh, I don't even know why I want to throw it in, but I'm coloring the damn tires. I'm coloring them white. You know what I'm saying? Coloring that B tire white. Wait till next video I post, next couple videos, I'm definitely gonna show you guys a video of me coloring these tires in. But yeah, that's it for the video. You know, make sure you guys follow official Toronto Bike Life. We're doing a 2,000 follower giveaway, so make sure you guys stay tuned for what's about to happen with that. And yeah, make sure I'm just gonna probably give you guys a little, you know, give you guys a little first ride. I can't even say it's a first ride because I rode it like twice downtown, you know. So, but I'll give you guys a little different perspective of me riding the bike, you know.